Hey guys, cordless chainsaws are making a big splash in outdoor power equipment, especially with homeowners. You know, when you think about it, for occasional use, these chainsaws are an excellent choice for a couple of reasons, including low maintenance, no gas, you don't have to deal with any fumes, they're super quiet to use, and they're affordable. So the Toolbox Buzz crew recently got a few of the Greenworks chainsaws together, and we tested them on some trees and some log cutting. So this review is a compilation of the crew's collective thoughts. To start, the saw is powered by a 2 amp hour 60 volt lithium ion battery, has a 16-inch bar length, metal bucking spikes, chain brake, chain adjuster, and automatic oiler, just like a regular gas model. There are advanced brushless motor electronics that deliver torque and power to the motor when cutting is needed, when that power is needed. But let's talk about some of the more standout features. The ease of use on the controls of the saw was a real pleasant surprise for us. There's no additional on-off switch like some other models, or a mode selector. You simply insert the battery, you pull the chain brake towards you, towards the rear of the saw, you press the safety catch lever and pull the trigger, and start cutting. It's a very intuitive process, and it reminds us of using a traditional gas-powered saw. The inertia activated chain brake is an outstanding safety feature as well. The brake system is ergonomic and contours kind of around the hand when cutting, but doesn't get in the way. It does not interfere. Once engaged, that brake stops the chain immediately. Many cordless saws in this class rely on folding plastic adjustment knobs to set the chain tension. So this is fairly gimmicky, and it does not really inspire a ton of confidence in us when we see that, right? Well, Greenworks chose to use a traditional side-mounted chain tensioner adjuster on the 60 volt Pro saw. This was an excellent decision, we feel, and in our opinion, it allows for proper chain tension to be set using a saw wrench and screwdriver in the same manner that we're used to with our traditional gas saws. So the question is, can the Greenworks saw cut? Well, we performed test cuts on large diameter seasoned wood with the saw buried deep all the way to the bumper spikes. Even in hardwoods, the Greenworks saw was surprisingly powerful. We also used the Greenworks Pro saw to cut up 2 medium-sized, about 14-inch diameter maple trees. The 16-inch bar, combined with the brushless motor, made quick work of cutting up both those trees. Now, that being said, in both of our tests, if you leaned on the saw too much, the saw will bog down. However, letting the saw do the work and applying the appropriate level of downward pressure resulted in fast, smooth cuts. We were impressed with that. The key with cordless chainsaws is letting the saw do the work and not trying to push them too hard. You know, that's the difference between the batteries and the gas models. This saw cuts really nice as long as you let the weight of the tool do the work versus pushing that too hard. One important note is runtime. So you need to have additional battery. So when we highly recommend probably having at least 2 batteries. In the process of cutting those maple trees, it took us 5 battery changes to cut up the limbs, the logs, and everything. So if you have an additional battery, one can be charging while one is cutting, and you can just rotate through them, which is smart. I do that with all my tools. For homeowners, the benefits of cordless chainsaws are huge. Most homeowners neglect maintenance of small gas engines, ultimately leading to, gumming up of the motors and starting repair problems and costly repairs. Battery-powered cordless chainsaws eliminate those hassles completely. Additionally, cordless chainsaws are extremely quiet, allowing you to work without hearing protection and reducing noise for the neighbors. So, how much? All right, well, you can buy these saws directly from Greenworks online or at Lowe's. At the time of this video, you can buy the saw, the charger, one battery. It's priced around $250, which is a great value. overall impression was that the Greenworks 60 volt Pro cordless chainsaw is a great option for homeowners looking for a saw to clean up yard brush, down trees, and normal maintenance type yard work stuff. While a cordless saw might not be a great option for cutting large quantities of firewood, they are an excellent choice for occasional maintenance use. So guys, if you're looking for a chainsaw for your yard, one with decent capacity, a 16-inch blade, the 60 volt Pro from Greenworks, it's a great choice. Well, that's it for this review. We'll see you next time here at Toolbox Buzz. Please stay healthy, everybody.